Hello, learners. This is Sunil Vishwakarma, and today's topic is working with presentation tool. Here, this is a new chapter or say new topic which cover how to present your topic in a well manner with the help of presentation graphic software. Let's understand what is presentation. Presentation, as the name suggests, refers to the way of presenting information to a group of people or an individual person. It is a sequential collection of slides in which each slide displays some information in the form of text and graphics. Sometimes it's better to present your content in a graphic as well as in text manner. It's a very effective way to convey your message, to convey your topic, to convey your thoughts among the people, or say in front of, or say in before of people. So today's topic cover OpenOffice Impress is a software package that is used for presentation. It is equivalent to MS Office PowerPoint presentation. Let's understand next concept, that is your presentation graphics software. Sometimes we need some special software that support your specific need. So in order to convey your message in presentation way, these type of software will helps you to create attractive, eye-catching and professional looking visual information for users. For example, we have CorelDRAW, Micromedia Director, PowerPoint presentation and OpenOffice Impress as a presentation graphic software. In each, or say some of like PowerPoint presentation, OpenOffice Impress and CorelDRAW, we have some type of picture background that is called slide, working area that is called slide. And what is slide? Let us understand this topic. Presentation slide is an electronic page just like this page that contains information about the presentation, which can be run on the screen of your computer or any projection device. These are some just like your drawing sheet, drawing book itself a software package, and pages are your working area or say electronic page, and each page contains information about the presentation, and you can run this presentation on the screen of your computer system or with the help of projector. So let's have a look a presentation software on which we are going to work on, and that is your Open Office Impress. Okay, this is my sign of Open Office org package. You can start with start button, and these you can expand. This is a Open Office software package which include Calc, Base, Writer, Open Office, then Math, Impress. This is our target, Impress. I'm going to click over here. Let's have a look. I'm waiting. It takes time. Yeah, it's from Apache. Apache is a company, software company that support this software package. It's a open source package. Open source means you can download it from internet. Okay, this is your first screen when you open your Open Office Impress. See, opening of Impress. This is your first screen. You have to select one option at a time over here. If you want to create new presentation or say empty presentation, then go for empty presentation. If you are going to present your presentation or say create your presentation from templates, templates means predefined objects, and if you want to open your existing presentation, then opt this option. So this is my first presentation, so I'm going to use empty presentation. Empty presentation. Then this is your preview section. Then click on next. Then click on next. इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. Then click on next. Then click on create button. It's a 3-step process. Here it is. Just have a look. It's similar to MS PowerPoint presentation, but there is a one little difference in terms of presentation of your front area. See, there are some properties too, and in open and in MS PowerPoint presentation, there is no property plate over here. Let's talk about some basic information regarding this Impress window. This section is called your working area, or say workplace. This is your title, if you want to put your title over here, and these are the properties, or say the pattern of your slide. If you want to choose this type of pattern, click over there. If you want to choose this type of pattern, click over there. See, if you want, by default it title slide. Okay, these are drawing tools. See, at last, or say bottom, and these are the control tools, toolbars. This is your menu bar. See, these are the menus available at top of the Impress window. Okay, this is a title bar. This is a title bar, untitled. It means अभी ये सेव नहीं हुआ है. The title bar displays the name of the application and presentation. See, this is your name of the application, OpenOffice Impress. The next is menu bar. Displays various menus such as files, insert, and views that are used to save presentation, insert a new slide, and view the slideshow respectively. The next is toolbar. These are the toolbars. It contains the most commonly used options and commands such as cut, where is cut? This is cut, copy, and paste option. The next is drawing toolbar. This is our drawing toolbar at bottom. It lets you insert commonly used shapes. These are the shapes. If you want to insert shape over here, then you can drag it. First use it, then drag it. See, such as arrows and circles, banners, or lines in a slide. If you want to create some kind of commonly used shapes, then you can go for this one. The next is status bar. This is our status bar. Slide 1 of 1 contains information such as language of the selected text. If you want to select your text over here, if you click over here, then this shows your language. If I am going to select Arial Black and I am going to write some content over here, okay, such as special spell check status over here, you see text edit, paragraph 1, rows 1, column 1, all this type of information you can get. And next is slide pane. This is your slide pane. This section is called slide panel. Display the thumbnails. Thumbnails means you can display your information in the form of preview. This is called preview section, or say thumbnail. Thumbnail actually display your content as a whole in one of slide of your presentation. It is located at the left side. This is your left side of the Open Office Impress window. Then next is slide show, or say slide view buttons. Allow you to view a presentation in different views or modes. By default your slide is on normal view. If you want to click on outline, this shows outline view. Notes, you can write notes over here. Then handouts, then slide shorter view. If you have number of slides, then you can view your slide in a one window with the help of slide shorter view, but by default it is on normal view. The next is task panel. This is our task panel. Contains various panels such as master. This is my master page, table design, and properties, and custom animation. All the properties that you are going to apply on this working area. And this is your work space, or say working area. And it contains, you can draw as much as you can, or say you can present your information as you can, as much as you can at this section. Okay, this is a overview of Open Office Impress. Okay. Bye students.